Hi, Courtney and Anitra. Just a quick video to summarize what we did yesterday when Courtney and I met. Um, so a couple of things to show you. I'm going to send in an email after the video um, the list that I made of changes so far. And, we're meeting with Meredith from Innovative Educators on July 2nd. I believe that's the date. I'll double check it in a few minutes and send that in the email, the reminder. But, I've marked here what the recommendation was and by whom and who's probably responsible for it all the way down. So I'll let you both look at that. I have also, getting oriented here, Anitra, Courtney and I talked about your great ideas yesterday about adding some information about D2L and resources for remote learning. And we also thought about adding more information about real-time remote, anytime remote learning. So what we think we're going to ask Meredith to do when we meet with her next week is to make a second page like this additional resources page where the students can see the title of the information, say real-time remote or more information about D2L, and click on the flip card and then get either a link or more information. And I was actually thinking this morning that I hope the college publishes something on the website about what real-time remote and anytime remote is. And I suspect that they will. We just don't have it yet. So I think what we might do is add this card. So this flip card page right now is in section 3, but Courtney and I talked about adding it in the preparing for success section, Anitra, so that there's another page like this. So we would need to add in, ask innovative educators to make another quick recording to read a sentence about what this information is, to remind students why they would want to stop here and flip the card over to read the information. So I hope that will work really well for students. And Anitra, I'm so grateful that you came up with the idea for D2L because I think it made Courtney and I think about, how the whole academic year could be different for these students, and they may want to stop and learn more about how their course will be delivered to them through D2L and understanding the modalities a little bit more and the resources available to them, etc. Awesome. And then the last thing I've done is, where did I do that? I have to figure out which browser it's in. Oh, it's over here. I made us a Trello board to keep track of some of the tasks we need to do. So once we decide who's assigned certain things, we can go in and edit the card and put the person who's going to do the work there. I know another card that I was just thinking of is that we need to research better CDHE pages. The one that we have, the link that we have that I checked in the orientation is just taking to the home page, and that's not going to help families or students to see transfer information through CDHE. So I would say GT pathway courses and transfer information. So, that's something that needs to be done. So once we decide who wants to do some of these things, we can go in and edit the card and put the name next to the person who wants to do it. And I think that'll help us to keep everything kind of organized a little bit and know when it's getting done without having to flood our email boxes with, hey, where is this thing? And just kind of knowing that it's done or it's in progress. So that's all I have, and I will send you the link to this Trello. I think I sent you an invitation to join it a little while ago, and I'll send you the spreadsheet, and then we will get started. Courtney's going to go ahead and get started on writing the titles and the descriptions for the new remote learning page for the orientation, so that when we meet with Meredith, we have some stuff to give her so she can work with her team to get that new page created for us. I'm so excited to work with both of you. If you have any questions, let me know. And just an FYI, I will be out of the office on vacation, annual leave of July 3rd through July 19th. So I'll try to get as much done as I can. I'm definitely going to get you the how to do the revisions instructions by Tuesday of next week. okay, by July 1st. So talk to you all soon. I hope you have a great day. Bye.